In the field of technical ceramics, special NH-fuse bodies have always posed a unique challenge, demanding precision and manual work. But today, we introduce a game changer. The new Machining and Drilling Center for NH-fuse bodies redefines efficiency, making production faster, more flexible, and significantly safer for our team. By automating and replacing outdated machinery, it eliminates several machining and manual steps, enhancing productivity. Its secret lies in modern, high-speed drives and a new generation of drills, which are 5 times faster and 3 to 4 times more durable. Utilizing innovative dust removal technology, our drilling center operates quietly, with a higher rotational speed, ensuring precision like never before. And it's not just efficient, it's incredibly flexible, as it can process NH-fuse bodies of various types simultaneously. Comprising 6 units, each can be serviced or adjusted individually while others continue seamless operation. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap into the future, setting us apart from the competition. With our commitment to quality, innovation, and progress, we continue to redefine the possibilities within the technical ceramic industry.